The average manual site audit takes 15 hours. That's 15 hours of copy-pasting, link checking, and spreadsheet wrangling per site. Manual audits eat up 8+ hours per website. That's days lost to spreadsheets instead of strategy. Let's be real. Manual SEO auditing is busy work, not growth work. It's time-consuming, error-prone, high in labor cost, inconsistent in reporting, poorly scalable, sluggish in implementation. But what if audits weren't just faster? What if they were instant, accurate, and even completely ran on autopilot? Imagine site audits so fast and smart you forget they ever took hours. Introducing Gozen DeepAgent, your AI-powered SEO audit engine. Here's how it transforms your workflow. 30+ hours per week saved per report. 10x faster lead qualification. 20+ high-impact SEO insights per site. Crawls up to 1,000 pages per domain. Faster keyword rank improvements via internal linking suggestions. It crawls the website you provide. It extracts complete SEO performance metrics. Keywords: total, new, lost, rising, dropping, paid. Top performing pages. It analyzes social media engagement. Total shares by page and platform. It generates a prioritized SEO to-do list with estimated traffic gains per action. It builds a competitor comparison table. Uncover keyword gaps, traffic differences, and content opportunities. All of this delivered in under 5 minutes, straight to your inbox. And here's what makes it even better. Gozen DeepAgent replaces multiple tools, saving you time, money, and mental bandwidth. With DeepAgent, you can drop Screaming Frog, $279 per year. Sitebulb, $35 per month. SEMrush and Ahrefs Site Audit Module, $249 per month. Chrome extensions and clunky spreadsheets. All that, gone. Spend less, convert more, automate the rest. Gozen DeepAgent isn't just an upgrade. It's a rethink of what SEO audits should be. Thinking about switching? Upgrade your workflow with Gozen DeepAgent. Because strategy should start where the audit ends.